Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is about how do people see you. Take it in a sporty manner and just let's take a little bit deeper look at your how your friends look at you, how your family looks at you, how you look at yourself. This is how it's a general reading. So it's a general reading, it may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not meant for you. So do like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. I have already shuffled the cards. See, so how do Capricorn's friend look at them? I have Ace of Swords, Hierophant, Seven of Swords. I think this I think this involves a marriage. Hierophant is normally a marriage. That your friends think that the truth is that you ran away, you lied, cheated, and you betrayed your marriage. That is what your friends think about you. Please take whatever resonates. I am just reading cards. How your families look at you, what your sibling and your parents think about you. Ten of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and Two of Cups. Your family thinks that you betrayed a long term relationship. You blocked a long term relationship for a lover. That is what your family thinks. You have ended this, you have completely stagnated this Ten of Pentacles, like long term relationship for a new lover. That is what your what your family thinks about you. How you see yourself? You see yourself in Eight of Pentacle, King of Pentacle, and Prince of Swords. So you see yourself as you are working, you want to earn a lot of money, you want to be in a very stable position, or you are already wealthy and you are ready to provide, and you are keeping an eye on everyone, what they are saying about you. You're not speaking, but most of the time Prince of Swords is also there is a gossip about you that you are making lot of money. So what you think about yourself, that people think that you are making lot of money. Anyway, so what others other than your friends and family think about you? Justice, Emperor, and Seven of Wands. Okay, other than your family and friends think that you are a very prideful person and you are going through karmic or legal justice. That is why you are very defensive. You are not opening up. Anyone wants to speak to you, you just ignore them. That is what I can see. But you are going through some legal or karmic justice, as there was no equal give and take in the relationship. And you are very prideful person. You are very wise. That is what others think about you, and you ignore people regarding this topic. So, how you want others to see you? King of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Four of Swords. You want others to see you that you want everyone to look at you like you have ended this player tendency to offer love to each and every chick going through. You have ended, you have kept, you have rested, you are gone through that phase. You don't want to offer your love or your that player tendency to anyone anymore. You want others to see you in this light. And what actually is happening? Sorry. Wheel, Four of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Okay. What actually is happening that you are waiting for right time. You are disappointed in love. You are not sharing your money too. You are sad that you don't have your Queen of Pentacles now. I think you, here I have King of Pentacles. So you were a pair, you were a match, and here was a hierophant. So it is definitely marriage. So you have disappointed your marriage. You have not offered your money to your other half, and you are just waiting for right time to come. That is what is happening. Your or your partner's initials can be TAROL. Yeah, that is what I can see. You might have in your name or initials or in your partner's. So let's see what, if your wife or your long term relationship partner, what they think about you, what is their mindset about you now, what do they think about you. Let's see. Yeah, see, I told you there's a marriage involved. Thank you, spirits. Yeah, so your partner thinks that your attitudes towards your person should change. They want that you are a privileged lady. They are a privileged lady. Take whatever resonate. If you are a man, they want you to see them as a privileged person to have them. And they want this attitude to be changed. I think you both are living at a distance, so they want you to take a journey towards them. Yeah, that is their mindset. They are not going to speak up. And you should go, they want you to travel and come towards them and talk about it, and they want you to see them in a changed light with a privilege, that they are privileged, you are a privileged person to have them. That is how they want. So I hope some of the messages or all the messages resonate with you. If you like this kind of reading, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal reading, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.